Hi guys, welcome to the 7 Money Show with me, your host Sean. Well, today we're talking about plant-based foods, and we can't start without talking about Beyond Meat. Now, do I think it's a good entry point? Yes, I do. Do I think it's a good long-term hold? No. I think it's a good entry point for a trade. To swing trade, people are saying, oh, plant-based food are the future. Yes, they are. Plant-based food are going to be all the rage. Yeah, I get you. And Beyond Meat is the way everyone knows it. They're everywhere. What you don't realise is, firstly, Beyond Meat is expensive. The reason Beyond Meat are everywhere is all these trial contracts they've taken, and I'm going to compare Beyond Meat to other plant-based foods, is Beyond Meat were losing money to take more market share, and that can work out for you if you do a trial price, get it out there, the customers buy it, love it, carry on buying it, and then even if you put the price up, they buy it. Problem with this is, as I've said before, my local supermarket, they had it in for a few months, and the trial price ended, they shipped it out, got in their own brand, plant-based meat. And to tell the truth, there wasn't any difference in the turnover of the plant-based meat. The other thing is, you have people like, let's call it as is. My missus is not a vegetarian. She can't be with a meat eater like me and has. But she could be a vegetarian because she eats so many vegetables, lives off so many vegetables. And if I wasn't with her, she probably would be a vegetarian. Now, I'm her downfall. I'm everyone's downfall, you know me. But the thing is, I do eat a vegetable dish once to twice a week. She will not eat GM food. And although this is plant-based plant-based food, it's plant-based GM food. So she will not touch it. They went all out to get the blood coming out of the burgers when you squeezed into it, so that it looked just like a burger and feel like a burger. And because of that, my wife wouldn't touch it if we gave it to her free. Now, I know other people who are meat eaters but also eat plant food, and they've tried it, and they do not try it with a garnishing. When they try something like this, they try it without a garnishing and compare it, and they've thrown it in the bin. Now, when you get these kind of reviews, it's hard to invest so much money. People are going on historical data, which is all we can use really. And when you look at this chart, it's just so volatile. Now, that's not to say that it cannot soar in the future, cannot go on a Zoom like run up or Facebook like run up, but at this, I wouldn't mind entering at this price, only to sell and swing trade it. But when we have Zoom, which is at the bottom, when you have Facebook dropping because of what it's doing with WhatsApp, and it's going to lose a lot of users, and once they lose the WhatsApp users, the chances are They may lose Facebook as well. The same people may jump from Facebook. You know, there are better. All I'm saying is there are better opportunities out there around this price or this valuation. Now, Impossible Foods. Something I didn't know is Impossible Foods. Let's see if I can get it out. No, I can't. Impossible Foods has a AAA rating. Something else I didn't know was, until I looked into it, Sophie, who again with IPOE had a AAA rating in 2015 from France. So when those sort of things come out at you, you start thinking, well, Impossible Foods is a lot cheaper and does a similar thing. And then we have the likes of Very Good Food Company. A much smaller company will have more growth, and so you're more likely to get more growth with it, and the share price will grow. So why don't you go in a Very Good Food Company? Reason why I don't is I didn't like the way they started. The fact that they, look, if you're going to pay YouTubers to do your PR, that's one thing, but do it through the proper channels. Don't do it underhanded. And on top of that, very next thing that came out was they're giving out PR which is wrong. Like, oh, we're doing so well, we're doing this, we're doing that, we're doing this manufacturing plant is up and running when they haven't even signed the lease, you know. So I didn't like that at all. Hi guys, little plug here. Don't forget to hit that lovely like button and smash that sexy subscribe button. A lot sexier than me, trust me, ask the wife. Don't forget to comment in the box below. If you're looking for a free trading platform which to trade your stocks and shares, why not check out the links in the description below. Freetrade are doing a promotion at the moment where if you sign up before the end of the year, you'll be entered into a free draw for what they call a stock hamper, where you can earn a Shopify, a Nike and a load of other stocks. So why not? Doesn't cost anything. Just click the link, deposit £100, £100 and start investing. Anyway, let's get back to the video. And with with Beyond Meat, it's just so many competitors out there. You know, you've got to be careful who you go with. My favourite one is ttcf. I've said it all along. I said I wouldn't go in a Very Good Food Company because ttcf is further along, has better potential, and its valuation is just so much better. It has a better range, and it is in a niche area. It is farm to plate. It's frozen, and there are people who care about the nutrients in their food more than the cooked thing. And once rather than having it modified, which the burgers, plant-based burgers, they're modified. So the ones who don't like GM would go for ttcf over the Very Good Food Company or the Beyond Meat, and you have the fact that they're doubling their already extensive range this year. The fact that they should hit $1 billion of revenue by 2024, 2025, and they are going to, I think they're sandbagging earnings. They're going to just keep going from strength to strength. Now, I don't always agree with Jeremy on financial education. I haven't, because you see the first two picks were his and I didn't agree with him. Now, he stopped talking about the other two when Topcashback came on his radar. Topcashback hasn't been on Wall Street's radar yet, and he's put this as his #1 pick for 2021. And he says food company is a dividend beast, and once it starts getting to a level where it pays out a dividend, it will just pay you so much and keep paying. But that's not why I'm in it. I'm in it for the growth. And he's right. Now, people will be worried about dilution because of an SEC filing. I wouldn't. They spoke in the conference call about acquisitions. They put a thing up saying these are the figures without acquisitions. I think the SEC filing for shares are, if a good acquisition comes along, they want to be ready to pounce. That's all it is. They have a plant in Italy, a plant in California, so they've broken America. They can break the American market, the UK, and the European market without tariffs. Already in the UK, Costco's, as well as American Costco's, Sam's Club, Target, Walmart. You know, I don't think it'll be long before we see them in Asda. In fact, they're in Walmart and Target, carry a lot of weight with the likes of Asda. And I just think they're going to go from strength to strength. The fact that I'll say one thing. Look at their most current earnings. Look at very good food companies' most current earnings. Look at Beyond Meat's most current earnings and compare the valuation. That's the only thing you need to look at. Look at the products Topcashback are coming out with. Look at their current range, and look at the same for the other two companies, and tell me which one you think is going to grow more. I'll be interested to know. I'll see you in the next video. Because personally, I think there is one winner, and well, it doesn't have to be one winner. They could all be winners. You could have like the A-side bowl, and you could have a Beyond Meat burger or sausage, but I do think there will be one.